Hello everyone, my name is Jim Gazarowski. I'm the Channel Field Manager for Peerless AV, calling on the Ingram Micro account. Today we have a few product demos available for you. The first one is part of our Ultra Slim line, and what these products are designed to do is get the display closer to the wall than any other mount on the market. We have three categories of these Ultra Slim mounts, starting with flat. We have an example here of our tilt, and the tilt gets the display 0.8 inches from the wall and pulls out to about 12 inches from the wall, both at the top and bottom. Now keep in mind that these mounts are designed specifically for thin bezel displays. That's about a 2-inch deep bezel or less. Typically you'll see that in the new LED technology displays. The other example I brought in today is our ultra thin bezel articulating mount, and this is the middle of its category, holding between 37 to 55. We also have an articulating thin bezel for up to 46 inches, as well as another one up to 65 inches. And Scott, if I can get your hand, you'll notice the ultra thin mount here that recessed to about 1.1 inches from the wall, and it does pull away from the wall a total of 25 inches with full pivot and articulation, as well as tilting. And again, folding back to the wall about 1.1 inches to get the display closer to the wall than any other mount on the market, looking more like a picture hanging from a wall than a mount behind a display. Another product that I brought in today is our HD Flow, and this is a brand new product of ours that's kind of outside the lines of your typical mounting solutions. We're broadening our product offering, and one of the products we're starting with is the HD Flow. The purpose of this product is to broadcast 1080p wireless HD up to 130 feet from any type of device, such as a cable box, a DVD player, a video game system, or a multimedia player, as long as the receiver is within 130 feet of the transmitter. You'll receive uninterrupted full 1080p HD. If you'd like to step over here, I can give you a quick view of the transmitter. We currently have the transmitter hooked up to a PlayStation that's running an Avatar Blu-ray DVD. And on the back here we have two HDMI component and composite, VGA, and we also provide a VGA adapter so you can run full RGB as well as the yellow, white, and red. On the receiving end, we have HDMI component composite. Again, you could use the converter for VGA if this is going into a projector or another display with only a VGA input. The only thing required outside of the lines for these mounts, or for these receiver and transmitter, are the power adapters. So each transmitter and receiver does require power, so that's what you have going into the bottom here. The transmitter can transmit the same signal up to 4 receivers, as long as each receiver is within 130 feet of the transmitter. The the HD Flow also has available mounts where the receiver will mount behind the display, so the only cable coming from the mount to the wall is going to be a power adapter from the TV as well as the HD Flow. The product ships standard with 1 transmitter and 1 receiver. It also has kitted versions with 2 receivers, 3 receivers, and 4 receivers. And we also sell receivers separately, so if the first initial purchase is just 1 receiver, you can go ahead and add additional receivers to that transmitter system somewhere down the line. You can communicate back to the transmitter from the receiving end. It ships with an IR blaster. The IR blaster can take care of changing a channel on the cable box, pausing or playing a DVD from a DVD player, or accessing your full capabilities of a DVR, just as if you were in front of that cable box or DVR DVD player with the remote. And I think that's it for today. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.